Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel, and in this video, I will tell you and show you how to allow new members to see old messages in group chat and Telegram application. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes under the video, and also friends, be sure to write your comments. And let's get into this topic. And first of all, please open the Telegram app itself. Next, find and go to the group that you are in charge of and can change some settings where you are an administrator. After that, at the top, click on the name of the group. Next, friends, you will need to click on the pencil sign on the top right to edit some settings. Now select the chat history. If, friends, unfortunately, you have a public chat rather than a private chat, then you will need to switch to the private chat to see the chat history. So, click Edit. And as you can see, the Hidden Messages option is automatically checked. That is, when a person joins such a chat, he can see only those messages that already appear in this chat. If you want the new member to see old messages as well, then select this option. After that, the new member will be able to see all the messages that were written before he was added to your chat. And to save the changes from the right top, click on the check mark. That's the very quick method you can use, friends, to allow new members to see old messages in the Telegram app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and write comments. Also, friends, be sure to put your likes. See you soon.